Alrighty, ladies and gents, welcome back to another video, and on this one I want to show you a tip that will save you a lot of money in your gas refills if you use a Thermacell product like this, which incidentally works very well. I really like my Thermacell mosquito repellent. I've been in the north coast of Scotland for the best part of a week where they have horrendous midges, and I've used this and it really does disperse them and keep them away. So it's a good product, but the problem is it uses, as you'll know, these Thermacell replacement gas cartridges, and these little things are quite expensive if you use this regularly. You'll pay various different prices around on the internet, but they're only small and they're just butane gas. And you will find on the interwebs different videos that shows you how to refill these with normal lighter gas, and it involves pulling this off and refilling it and then fitting it again, which you can do. It's a bit of a faff, to be honest with you, and it's got to hope that it reseals okay back in the plastic, which I don't know, hopefully it does, but you've got to kind of cross your fingers. But with this tip I'm going to give you, you'll be able to buy brand new cartridges just a lot cheaper, which is obviously a big deal. And I discovered this by accident, actually looking for replacement cartridges, and it turns out that these cartridges made by Thermacell are actually the same cartridges used by a company in the UK called Babyliss, and Babyliss make hair curlers and hair straighteners and things like this, and their wireless versions are heated up by gas, and they're the same company in the US as well, but they go under the name Conair. No, not that one. But yeah, these guys I saw in a shop in the UK. I found it on an online search and I thought they can't be, they look very similar, they can't be the same size surely. And turns out I took a punt. I'll just grab one out for you, and sure enough, these little guys are exactly the same as these little guys. And take the top off, and they are absolutely identical. You'll see, same fixture, same fitting and everything, but it's branded under the Babyliss logo, but it still has Thermacell written on the side. So it's made by Thermacell and sold by Babyliss. So if you've got a Babyliss product and you want a replacement cartridge, you buy these. But guess what? These guys are way cheaper, and you can just buy them on their own in simple 2-packs, and you can get that in Argos for £5.99, which is a really good price, and they last quite a long time actually. And you don't have to buy the Thermacell products. They sell them in these mega packs where you end up paying 30, 40, 50 pounds, $60 just to get replacement packs, whereas you can buy these two, and these guys last quite a long time actually. My first Thermacell cartridge kept going for quite some time, and usually I only use it for a couple of hours at a time in the evening or in the morning when I'm mooching around my camper van getting things sorted or eating outside. Then it's great. So if you're using it a couple of hours at a time, it's going to last a long time. So these 2-packs are great. You could buy a couple of boxes if you like, and they're going to last you your entire holiday. And obviously if you want to buy the replacement mats, you can buy them separately and shop around on Amazon and various different sites. Now if you're in the US, then you want to look up for Conair. I think they sell them in Walmart for something like $8, which isn't far off the same price as 6 UK pounds. So definitely worth checking out. I'll put all the links I found in the description below, and you can see it for yourself. But it's definitely going to save you quite a bit of money on these cartridges by using this handy little workaround by making use of these Babyliss products or the Conair products instead of the expensive replacement deals that Thermacell want to sell you directly. So I'm quite pleased with that. Give it a go yourself. No messing around pulling out these adapters and refilling it with lighter gas. You can just buy them as usual, just a lot cheaper. Alright guys, thanks for watching this quick video. I hope it's been useful for you. Please give it a thumbs up if it has, and I will catch you very soon on another video. Bye for now.